Hi everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we are going to introduce you to a revolutionary new product that will make parents' life even easier. The new modular system from CAM is designed with the baby's well-being and comfort in mind. Whether you are out for a stroll or simply relaxing at home, this system has everything you need. Let's dive right into the main features of this amazing product. First, let's talk about the carry cot. This spacious and modern carry cot is suitable for your baby from birth up to 9 kilos. Designed with high-quality fabrics made in Italy, it's not just beautiful but practical too. It includes a simple newborn pad, which is specifically designed to ensure your baby's well-being. It features a plagiocephaly prevention disc to reduce the risk of flathead syndrome in newborn babies, and a bamboo fabrics to provide more comfort and breathability. The apron comes with a windshield and can be opened partially or entirely using a double zip, great for regulating temperature or giving your little one a bit more air or warmer days. For convenience, there's an inner storage compartment with a zip pocket, perfect for storing small or valuable items. The carry cot is lined with soft cotton in a color that matches the carry cot, making it stylish and cozy. The backrest is adjustable to 4 different positions, and the hard shell base is ventilating for airflow, helping to keep your baby comfortable, especially on warmer days. A unique feature is the rocking base, which allows to soothe the baby, making it easier to relax and fall asleep. The UPF 50 hood provides excellent sun protection, and there's also a mosquito net and a ventilation window for easy monitoring of the baby while on the go. The one-hand handle release ensures easy attachment and detachment of the carry cot without any struggle. Next up is the pusher, the perfect companion for both you and your baby as you go on daily adventures. It's suitable for babies from 0 to 4 years old, up to 22 kilos, making it an investment that lasts. The seat is long, spacious, and reversible. For your baby's first year, you can use it in the parents-facing mode, while from 1 to 4 years, the forward-facing mode lets your little one explore their surroundings. The telescopic handlebar is adjustable to 5 positions with just one hand. The high-quality finish includes color-matching details that complement the fabrics, giving the pusher a stylish look. The backrest is ergonomically designed with multiple reclining positions for comfort, and it's equipped with 3D mesh inserts that allow air to flow freely, ensuring the baby stays cool and comfortable. The bumper bar automatically folds, and the UPF 50 canopy can be extended with peekaboo window and mosquito net, giving you complete flexibility for different weather conditions. The adjustable leg rest with a vegan leather inserts add a touch of luxury, while the included foot muff keeps your baby cozy in all seasons. The pusher has a large, extra deep shopping basket, puncture-proof wheels that are perfect for any terrain, and a 4-wheel suspension for a smooth, bumper-free ride. These swivel wheels come with an automatic locking mechanism for stability, and a synchronized brake ensure that the pusher stays in place when you need it to. Another great feature is the quick-release front and back wheels for easy storage. The entire system folds quickly and compactly with just one hand, taking up minimal space in both directions, front-facing or rearward-facing. For added convenience and safety, there's also an optional car seat available. The Area 0 and the Relax size car seats are both standard approved according to Air 129 high size regulation. The Area 0 is suitable for babies from 40 to 75 centimeters, while the Relax size fits from 40 to 87 centimeters, offering a great fit for newborns and toddlers alike. So, there you have it. The all-in-one modular system from CAM in Modo del Bambino is designed to grow with the baby and offer unmatched comfort, safety, and style. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you're ready to take the next step in providing the best for your customers, be sure to check out Modus Modular System. See you next time!
Il mondo del bambino